Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a weekly Plan With Me video. We are filming this weekly Plan With Me in the middle of Vlogmas. So if you watch my vlogs, if you watched Vlogmas, you may have actually already seen how this week turned out because I am planning to vlog daily throughout the week as part of Vlogmas. But in order to stay on top of things and not have January completely overwhelm me like it has in years past, I am actually filming this weekly Plan With Me in December that you will see in January, which is my normal cadence. I usually film things about a month before they go live. It is just the system that works for me. And I can't let that go away in December just because I'm vlogging every single day. So let's get this week all planned out. The first step is to get my weekly plan down on paper from my Google Cal. And I'm like taking a deep breath because this is also a really, really big week for our family because we are closing on a house tomorrow, which is just so exciting. So I am going to use this teal color for personal things. So let's go ahead and put in the close. Our realtor said to block off 2 hours. She said it may not take that long, but to go ahead and block it off. So it starts at 9. So we're gonna block off 2 hours for that. And then I also have a personal house related thing on Tuesday that is scheduled for 9. Then, okay, let's just start there. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me fill these in as I go as opposed to like doing all of them. So I'm also maybe a smidge flustered. I'm filming this Plan With Me right before we go to our final walkthrough. Okay, meet with contractor. Okay. Do I want to go day by day or let's go day by day. Okay, so Monday, after the close, I have a handful of work things I would like to do. There's a bunch, 1, 2, 3, there's 6 little things that my mom is watching our daughter, during the close, and then we'll watch her until she goes down for her nap. So between that and her nap, some of these things aren't going to take a whole half hour, which is what these lines are. So I should hopefully be able to get through all these things. So communication routine is first, and then the weekend recap, which is part of my communication routine on Mondays to recap the weekend and what we did. And then I have a couple content things. Okay, well, the accountability buddy stuff, and then a couple content things. So the community content, the live outlines for January, and then plan the filming that is happening on the next day. So that is Monday work stuff. Again, hopefully I can get through all of that by the time Lila wakes up from her nap. And then we have a family dinner on Monday night to celebrate. It is both my stepdad's birthday. Oh, I almost just forgot the R and just wrote an A there. My stepdad's birthday, but then also obviously closing on our house. So we're gonna go to dinner around like near the new house, and then we're gonna go back to the new house for dessert. And so everyone can see it. And then Tuesday, I already put in that I need to meet with the contractor. And then depending on how long that takes, Lila will be at daycare, but I have basically 3 work things because one of them is gonna take a while. So my communication routine, I need to film the last batch of reels for December. And then I'm filming all my goals videos. So my December, all these videos will have already been up by the time you're seeing this Plan With Me. So it's all my goals videos, my December, my 2024 recap, and then all my 2025 Q1 January goals videos. I'm filming all that on Tuesday. This planning may take a little bit longer. I mean, I have all my goals done for the year, but I need to finalize some stuff. Okay. Then Wednesday, I have a lot of things I'm trying to do on Wednesday. Okay. So I also have 6 work tasks for Wednesday, but some of these are a little bit bigger, but I have the entire day kind of. So I'm gonna write this here. I have somebody coming out for an estimate at the new house on Wednesday, but they don't give me the time until the day of, so I can't really plan that out. So hopefully I'll be able to get all of these work things done around that. I missed one, there are 6. So my communication routine, I need to prep the coaching calls. There's actually 2, one tonight and then one, that's why. Okay. So my plan was to record the coaching call on Thursday because I like to record it after this one happened, but everybody was like, I would like that call as soon as possible. So it's fine. We're gonna record it on Wednesday. So I'm gonna record the call, and then I also need to do an accountability buddy step. I need to do the newsletter for the next week. And then pretty much the rest of the week is going to be prepping videos. So I filmed a couple of videos last week, and the videos I'm filming Tuesday, basically as my editor gets them up into my YouTube, I'm going to prep them. And the goal is going to be done prepping videos before our family Christmas on Saturday, but we are going to see how that goes. So then Wednesday night is the community call, and then I need to get the replay of that up. Okay. Thursday, we have been going to library time on Thursdays, and so I would like to keep doing that. Just a fun activity for Lila and I to do together. So library time. And actually the party we were at last night, there was another mom and little girl who was not that much older than Lila, and I was like, we go to this library on Thursdays, you should come. So I exchanged numbers with her, so hopefully she will come as well. So that is Thursday, and then while Lila is down for her nap, there's going to be a theme. It is going to be my communication routine and just prep videos and prep videos and prep videos. And then Friday, we have our last swim class of the session, but we are all already signed up for next session. It's going to be at a different time though. I do think the Friday mornings worked well, but frankly, I dropped that ball and missed signups, and Friday morning was already full. So I had to pick a different time. So Friday morning swim class, and then the exact same steps on Friday during her nap, communication routine and prep videos. And then at some point I need to wrap presents. You know what? Let's put that earlier in the week. Let's wrap on Tuesday. I need to wrap presents. And then, yeah, that's it for Friday. Oh, actually, that's not true. I have one more thing on Friday. I also need to plan for the month. So I have done my whole plan for Q1 for my business, because that's part of like filming my goals, but I need to do my sticky notes and planning for my Kanban board for January. So that is going to happen then. Then Friday, wow, I can't even talk. Okay. And then Saturday, we have our family Christmas starting at 10. My mom basically was like, I don't want to fight any other parents for like, basically, if you have never heard me talk about it, I have a very like complex family. And at this point, our family in Illinois, my one brother and sister have to coordinate with their dad. And then my other 3 stepbrothers, we have to coordinate with their mom. But then my one stepbrother is also engaged, and so we also then somewhat have to coordinate with her parents in order for, just getting everybody together is tough. And so my mom was like, why don't we just do it on a totally different day? So we're doing it on a totally different day. The problem with this totally different day is that my football team plays right smack dab in the middle of it, but it will work out. My mom's plan is we're going to do presents in the morning. We're going to do like a nice meal while Lila is napping. Then we're going to watch football and hang out. And then Lila will go to bed, and we do a cocktail making competition. And so we will do that after she is in bed. So that's the plan. And then there's nothing on Sunday. The Cowboys must play. What time is that game? They play at night. Okay. We'll see how I'm feeling at that point. Oh, the Cowboys season is just not pretty. And probably my current favorite player on the team, Overshone, is out for the season, which is so unfortunate. So that is the weekly plan. All right, the next step in my weekly planning process, which, by the way, I can't believe it's taking me this long to mention, I do have a video called How I Plan My Life, which is my entire planning process from start to finish. I talk about everything I do from an annual basis all the way down to a daily basis. Obviously, the weekly process you see a lot in these weekly Plan With Me videos, and then subsequently, the video after this will be a daily Plan With Me. But the next step is getting my time tracker sheet all set up. So I went ahead and did the dots already off camera, because I feel like when I do these on camera, I mess them up half the time. So these are all the action steps that you saw in the calendar. This is how I'm going to track them throughout the week. So we have my communication routines, which I only have estimated at 4. I do have it on 5 days a week, but typically if I'm on top of it, that's kind of how long it takes over the course of the week. And then I have the community calls, which since I have 2 this week, one that's live and one that I'm pre-recording, that I have at 6 for the week. Then all the content stuff. So we have the community content. We have the live outlines, reels, newsletter, and planning the next month. Usually I give myself 2 to plan the month, but since I've already planned the quarter and basically planned the month, this is really just, I wrote 2 because I was talking to you and I said that. I only have it actually in the calculations for 1 because all I have to do is really finalize the plan and make the sticky notes. Then this is filming, which I have at 6. And then this is prepping videos, which I have at 10, but frankly, it might end up being more than that. It kind of depends on how long my videos end up being. It may end up being way more than that, but if I have to stay up late or get up early a little bit next week in order to feel like I can take the week of Christmas off, I'm okay with that. And then there was a lot of accountability buddy stuff that you saw in my plans. I have that at 1. And then workshop emails. I just realized I did not put this anywhere. Okay, so we need to fix that. Let's just put them on Tuesdays. On Tuesday's plan. The live workshops are over, as of now, but I want to send a follow-up email at the end of it. And then miscellaneous, I don't plan any time for this, but somehow it always ends up happening. There always ends up being little things that don't fit exactly into any of these. So I think next week, because I know I have some house stuff going on, the number is a little bit lower than it has been in December, but hopefully we're gonna get everything done. And then I've been loving having this on the same page. So the only thing for sure that I need to do this week is an Amazon return. Otherwise, I don't have anything yet, and we'll fill that out as time goes on. And that is it for my week. I also need to move the sticky notes on my Kanban board, but I will get to that. I feel good. I'm all set up for the week. If you want to see how this turned out vlog style, go back and watch the Vlogsmith videos. But if you want to see how it turns out in daily Plan With Me videos, that is what's going to be the next video. I'm going to plan each day over the course of this week and compile all of those for the next video. So make sure you are subscribed. And if you liked this video, if you watched all the way to the end, comment below with, I feel like I've been using the house emoji way too much because all I do is talk about the house. Let's comment with, just do the green heart emoji if you made it all the way to the end. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every week focused on helping you achieve your goals. Thank you so much for watching.